CBFI 30 plus 15 tons 2 ice plant case study. Located in Indonesia, this tube ice plant was custom designed and manufactured by CBFI to meet the specific project requirements.
Hi, my name is Ardiles. Welcome to our factory in Solo. The name is Anugrah, which means blessings. We are using 30 ton and 15 ton machine. Quite nice, and I'm quite happy because the 30 ton we can customize it a bit. We have to control the refrigeration and to control the time, to control the pressure. It's all quite easy to do with the help of the technician from CBFI.
The CBFI tube ice machine features bits or compressors for energy efficiency and stable operation. Combined with CBFI's advanced evaporator heat exchange technology for fast ice production, rapid de-icing, high quality and slow melting ice.
The machine is very advanced compared to other local machine in Indonesia. It's modern and high technology is also quite good. Easy to control, easy to maintain. Especially the new integrated machine would be even better. So the ice production is good as long as using pure water. The ice is very clear. It's solid also. What I mean is that there's not much cracks, not many small pieces, so it's quite good. We have used CBFI machines since February this year. And so far we are using this machine. We're quite happy with it. The help from the technician, local and from China, it's quite good. Response is also very fast. We are happy with that.
Customer satisfaction drives CBFI's progress, and we are committed to providing comprehensive after-sales support throughout the entire process. With over 20 years of expertise in refrigeration, CBFI always puts the customer first, offering high-quality and efficient refrigeration solutions.